So I'm gonna do a topic about pretty much, how do you say, pretty much infections like UTIs, which is urinary tract infection, bladder infection, and yeast infection. You can also talk about common sexual stuff, as in, okay. So pretty much you gotta be very careful. Make sure you're always clean, because it can happen anytime. I apparently was just in the hospital, and yeah, it was a long journey. But a urinary tract infection can happen, even with sexual stuff. You can even get it just by not changing the clothes right. So kidney yeast infection. But also I want to say that you sorry, I'm not feeling good still. I'm kind of sick still, so that's also why I went to the hospital. So make sure you are clean and healthy. So basically it can happen to anyone. And I even found out that girls can even get it when they're on the month. So you gotta be careful with that. So long story short is pretty much just be safe and be careful, because UTIs, bladder infections, and yeast infections can happen. And to anyone, it mostly is common in girls, but men can get it too. So if this was helpful, so you know, anything like the symptoms are like you have irritation in your area, and when you pee it hurts, and burning, and for yeast infection, it's cloudy, inside your area, it's like white, um, clouded. Yeah. And the bladder infection, I don't really have those much, but it's equivalent to kind of tract infection. It hurts when you pee. Kidney infection. Your back hurts. Your abdominal tummy right here can hurt. Yeah. Also, with all these infections, it can always lead to a bigger infection, and that means it can lead to vomiting, diarrhea, and fever, and yeah. So, I just want to tell you, if you have a girlfriend or couple, just yourself, or even a guy, just for himself, want to know any information. Some guys have friends, and their friends or girlfriends gets infection. Yeah. The most great thing is always go to a doctor if you feel like it's really bad. Sometimes some can go away a little bit, but mostly you need antibiotics for it to go away. But thank you. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Mwah.